So what we're doing now, we're making the cross. We're building the cross. Okay. So the way we build the cross or make the cross is flour, just a good bit of flour, and then maybe some milk, and I sprinkle a bit of salt because I just like a bit of taste. Okay, and a drop of essence within our mixture. Then you're gonna beat it until it's smooth enough. Alright, so we're creating a paste. Alright, so we're making a paste. Then you just put it in a piper, and then we will build the cross on the bun. Okay, then nice hot cross bun. So you want it. You want the consistency of it just running nicely. It's not pouring, but it's like just gently running so it doesn't run away from your bun. All right, you want to have it. And if you notice it's too soft, just add a bit more flour to it. All right, just give it a nice mix. That's what you're looking for. Lovely. Sorted. Alright. So we've now placed our paste within the piper. If you don't have a piper, you can use a bag, like one of those Ziploc bags or something that's sturdy enough. Okay. So from here we're now gonna lay our cross down onto the bun. Just nicely pull it back up to the center, and then you go to the other side, pull it across. So then you top it down, and then you just bring it back to the center, and that would even it off. Again, you do the same here. Try not to be too aggressive if you're a perfectionist, and top it off and start from there. Go out, depends on how you want to play it. You can come back there, top it off, push it out all the way down. When you get there, just pull back, bring it back to the center, and again you do the same on the other side. Pull it down. When you get there, just pull back on the lever and just bring it back to the center. Gives you nice even crosses. And this is quite fun to do. Pull it back, push down. Try not to be too heavy handed. There you go. Well, it doesn't matter really if you make a mess sometimes, because after all, pull back, cut it off. Just keep making your crosses. Okay, so we'll keep doing this until we're done. Alright, so we'll keep doing this until we're finished. Then we are going to put them in the oven, and we're going to enjoy some bun. See you soon.